With the philosophy from the craft for the craft, Holzher has been developing its rock-solid pressure beam saws for many years. The Linea 6015 pressure beam saw is the optimal solution for both beginners and professionals due to its flexible equipment variants. Whether space, speed or gentle handling, no matter what plays a greater role for you personally, the Linea 6015 will convince you. With its expressive appearance and unique gantry design, known from CNC technology, created for high-precision cutting results. In order to be able to move the panels on the machine in a way that is easy on the back and free of scratch marks, the tables are equipped with an air floating system. To ensure that the panels can also be moved on the machine table, which means in front of and behind the cutting line, with the same quality, these are also equipped with the air floating system. The large tables are perfect for parking the cut panel strips or for stacking the finished parts. The swiveling control center with its generous 21.5-inch multi-touch screen can be adjusted to the operator to ensure ergonomic working. The swivel device can be operated from the outside or effortlessly locked in 3 positions. For remote control and easy operation of the machine, the handheld remote control can be used. The operator can move freely around the machine while keeping a grip on even large panels. The integrated magnet allows the handheld remote control to be attached to the machine. With the thermal transfer label printer Easy Label, workpieces can be marked and incorporated into the production flow. Commissions, item numbers, dimensional data, as well as many other information can be printed on the label. For further processing on a CNC or edge banding machine, the processing programs can be printed in the form of a data matrix code. The solid saw carriage in gantry design is equipped with a powerful 7.5 kilowatts motor as standard. For permanently hard materials, such as solid wood or solid core boards, a powerful 11 kilowatts motor can be selected. The maximum saw blade projection of 68 mm performs best cutting results even with package cuts. To regulate the cutting height, a saw blade projection between 20 and 40 mm can be set via the 2-stage cutting height package and activated via the soft button. Groove depths of up to 25 mm can be set and produced manually. The groove position and groove width are controlled via the software. As with all Holzher pressure beam saws, the saw carriage of the Linea 6015 runs on precise, covered linear guides. The special gantry design, in conjunction with the linear guides, ensures the highest cutting quality and smooth running. The separately driven scoring unit with a powerful 2.2 kilowatts motor effortlessly scores even hard decors such as HPL. To ensure that the manual adjustment of the scoring unit can be carried out in less than 4 minutes, the Linea 6015 has a sophisticated software function and a specially developed safety hood concept. This technology allows adjustment while the saw blade is running. The CE required waiting time of 60 seconds for the safety hood to open is eliminated because the safety hood is located inside the machine. Work safety is a top priority, which is why the Linea's sawing station is illuminated with an LED lamp. Saw blades and setting tools find their place in the integrated stowage facilities. A safe and quick tool change is guaranteed by the ProLock quick clamping system. A visible cut line laser uses a laser beam to indicate the exact cutting line. Cuts according to manual sketch can be positioned and perfectly cut. Right-angled cuts are the be-all and end-all in woodworking and plastics processing companies. With the single press side alignment system, the panel strips are gently pressed against the crosscut fence. The side alignment system positions itself fully automatically via the software parameters and, depending on the requirements, is either permanently in contact with the workpieces or relieved of pressure. The workpieces are thus literally clamped in place and cannot slip. The motor, with servo technology, moves the pusher to the selected positions as quickly as possible. The measuring system checks itself permanently and independently via the so-called continuous checkup. In order to be able to guarantee precise angle cuts and exact measurements, the pusher is mounted on a linear guide. This technology guarantees a smooth motion sequence. The clamps grip materials with dimensions as small as 45 mm. For corrugated or very sensitive materials, the collets can also be selected in the floating version. These adapt to the unevenness of the sheet and allow work that is gentle on the material. The clamp pressure can be continuously adjusted and is therefore ideal for soft panels or panels covered with protective film. Unique to Holzher saws, the synergy of the side pressure concept and cutting away from the crosscut fence results in enormously high cycle speeds. Here, in the example, you can see how the side pressure is always in working position and presses the workpiece against the crosscut fence. After the workpiece has been fixed by the pressure beam, the saw carriage starts immediately and cuts through the workpiece. The time-saving results from the fact that the saw blade always waits extend to the saw station for the next cut, and the side pressure does not need a new positioning time. The Linea 6015 gives you back valuable. A double sliding door opens 1.80 m wide. More than 6 square meters of valuable storage space are hidden under the rear support rollers. Storage parts are thus always impeccably stowed away. With the pre-installed EasyPlan optimization software on the Linea 6015, you can create your parts list in no time at all. The highlight of the matter, the optimized parts lists can be pushed together with the drag and drop function, for example, to form a front processing. It is also possible to rotate individual components or the entire panel. The finished, optimized cutting plans are transferred to cutting. For optimal work preparation in the office, the 3 modules OptiBase, OptiBase Plus and OptiPro are available. Customer-specific creation of parts lists or importing a CSV file are the basics of the software. Creating front and veneer unwinds, edge length calculation, cutting time calculation, collective orders and many other features are covered by the modules. The finished optimized cutting plans are now processed by the operator. The operator can get a first impression via the simulation. During cutting, the real-time simulation runs on the screen and the components move to the defined storage locations. Decors can be displayed in detail on the screen and, in addition to the cutting plan navigation, help the operator to work through the process. Rest Piece Storage Management manages panel materials and HPL panels. The benefits: valuable working time spent searching for rest pieces is eliminated and your materials management is always on point. Holzher also ensures an excellent energy balance by using state-of-the-art drive and control technologies. Of course, our panel saws are also equipped for Industry 4.0. With the VIA Cockpit app, production typical data can be displayed. For connection to ERP systems, the module VIA Connector Edge can be used for data export. Convince yourself of the professional cutting solutions from Holzher. We are looking forward to meeting you.